What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to Kaye's Kitchen. Listen, guys, I'm so excited today. I'll be making gumbo. I haven't made gumbo for a while, and it's a family favorite. Okay, so today we're gonna have gumbo. We're gonna have some sausage in there. We're gonna have some crawfish, some shrimp in there, and also some mussels. All right, so before I get started with cooking, you know I gotta start out with my wine, and today I'll be having the Barefoot Pinot Grigio. All right, now let me go ahead and pour myself a glass. So like I said, YouTube, we're going to go ahead and make our gumbo. And here we go, let's begin. Alright guys, so as you see, I put my bell pepper, my onions, and my celery in the pot and started sauteing those. And then next you saw when I added the sausage to the pan also. So I'm going to continue to keep those guys sauteing, right? And once they get translucent, what I'll do next is I have these Zatarain's gumbo mix, right? So I like to work smarter and not harder. I know you can go through the whole roux, making your own roux and all that, but what I do is, trust me, this gumbo mix, I've been using it for years and it makes it so much easier, right? So once everything gets translucent, what I'll then do is I have 3 packs of this, right? And I'll put it in the pot. I have a pot of boiling water going also that has about 18 cups of water in there, right? So then I'll add these 3 packs of the gumbo mix along with my 18 cups of water, and then I'll have that go and simmer for about 20 minutes. And then after that, you'll see I'll slowly start adding in my other things, like my crawfish will go first, then I'll add my shrimps. My mussel will go last because it's pretty much pre-cooked already, and I don't want to overcook it, all right? So just stay tuned and watch how I do this. Foodies, welcome back. So this is my finished product of my gumbo with my crawfish, my shrimp, my mussels, my corn. And let me tell you, it was a super simple recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. I surely will. And until next time, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for me, all right? Have a blessed night.